Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video is going to feature some more short hairstyles that you can rock this spring season. So if you are in need of a major hair refresh, this video is for you. If you feel inspired by any of today's looks, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a hot bob transformation. Loving this bold purple within the cuts. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks like the stylist is doing a shape up here. Beautiful pixie hairstyle. And then we have a long to short transformation. Wow, absolutely gorgeous bob. I love this stylist's hair. His hair just looks amazing. So it looks like he's doing a pixie haircut for this one. And then we have another long to short transformation. Looks like she's going super short. Oh, beautiful pixie. She looks amazing. I love the color that he did with this as well. And then it looks like we have an undercut here. Very nice. I'd say that this is more of like a soft undercut. Obviously it doesn't feature the completely shaven portion of the hair, but that's what I'm going to start calling that style, a soft undercut. So lots of color being added with this transformation. Oh, so he ended up going blonde. And it looks like we have a pixie cut for this next one. And let me know in the comments below, do you guys want to start seeing more transformations on men? So this person is getting more of like a traditional undercut. Nice baby bangs in the front. Oh, wow. Yeah, so they definitely ended up getting more of a traditional undercut and then more of a mullet style. I love the color too. Absolutely amazing transformation and very unexpected. I thought at first she was getting a pixie, and then I thought maybe more of an undercut. But this undercut mullet is amazing. So there is a full transformation for someone who decided to shave their hair and go blonde. I love it. I love the bold transformations. So here we have someone else with an undercut. Looks like she's getting a refresh on her style. Wow, she looks amazing. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some inspiration within today's video. Let us know in the comments below which hair transformation was your favorite. And if you want to see even more hot hair ideas, you can check out this video next.